It has bearing issues. What does that clicking sound like? Does it sound like the bearings, or could it be the car, the blade, or what? So I'm gonna try to fix it. I hear that? Running that low power again. There's a clicking sound. It's been doing that for a while. I can tell me what that clicking sound is. I don't know if that's the bearings or what. Let me know how to go about fixing it. I'm about to pay a man out.